So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Facebook white screen, app and web fixes for mobile and desktop. So for Android app users, fix 1 is force close the app. Open your phone setting, then tap apps or application. Locate and select Facebook, then tap force stop. Fix second is clear the app cache and data. Open the Facebook app setting screen, then select the storage option. Tap on clear cache, tap on clear data. Third fix is check for update. Open the Google Play Store on your device, then use the search bar to find Facebook. Check for an update button next to the app. Then if the update button is visible, tap it to initiate the update. For iOS app users, fix 1 is force close the app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access app previews. Locate the Facebook app preview card, swipe up on the Facebook app preview card to close the app. Second fix is offload and reinstall the app. Open your iPhone setting, tap Journal, then select iPhone storage. Scroll down the tab Facebook, tap offload app, then tap reinstall app. Third fix is turn off low data mode. Go to setting, then Wi-Fi, then tap the eye icon next to your network, then turn off low data mode. For computer browsers like Chrome, Edge and Safari, fixes are test in an incognito window. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus N or Command plus Shift plus N to open a private window, then navigate to facebook.com in the private window. If Facebook loads successfully, the issue may be caused by a browser extension or cache. Second fix is clear browser cache and cookies. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete in Windows or Command plus Shift plus Delete in Mac. Then set the time range to all time. Check the boxes for cookies and cached image. Click Clear Data. Restart your browser. Third fix is turn off ad blocker and extension. Click the puzzle piece icon in your browser toolbar. Select Manage Extension. Toggle off your ad blocker or privacy extension. Refresh the Facebook page. Thanks for watching.